Hey everyone! Want to finally understand all the English tenses without feeling confused? You're in the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I'll explain all the 12 English tenses simply, clearly, and with examples. Number 1, present tenses. Number 1.1, present simple. I eat and used for habits, facts. Example, she studies every day. Number 1.2, present continuous. I am eating and used for actions happening now. Example, they are watching a movie. Number 1.3, present perfect. I have eaten and used for completed actions with a connection to now. Example, he has finished his homework. Number 1.4, present perfect continuous. I have been eating and used for actions started in the past and still continuing. Example, we have been studying for 2 hours. Number 2, past tenses. Number 2.1, past simple. I ate and used for completed actions in the past. Example, she visited London last year. Number 2, past continuous. I was eating and used for actions in progress in the past. Example, they were playing football at 5 p.m. Number 1.3, past perfect. I had eaten and used for past action before another past action. Example, he had left before I arrived. Number 2.4, past perfect continuous. I had been eating and used for long actions before another past event. Example, she had been waiting for an hour. Number 3, future tenses. Number 3.1, future simple. I will eat and used for promises, predictions. Example, I will call you tomorrow. Number 3.2, future continuous. I will be eating and used for actions in progress in the future. Example, at 7 p.m., I will be working. Number 3.3, future perfect. I will have eaten and used for actions completed before a time in the future. Example, he will have finished by 6 p.m. Number 3.4, future perfect continuous. I will have been eating and used for long future actions before a point in time. Example, by next year, she will have been teaching for 10 years. Quick summary. Here's a quick review. Present, now. Past, before. Future, later. Simple, one-time action. Continuous, action in progress. Perfect, completed. Perfect continuous, long action plus duration. Use this logic to always know which tense to use. You did it. You learned all 12 English tenses in just 10 minutes. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more English made easy. See you in the next one.